So I've got this parabola here, and I want to find the axis of symmetry, and I also want to find the vertex of it. So if you think about it, if you sketch any parabola that you've ever seen, right? The axis of symmetry is the line that cuts it in half, and every single time on that axis of symmetry, that's where we'll find our vertex. No matter how you draw the parabola, that's true, right? So there's my axis of symmetry. Kind of got off kilter there a little bit, and the vertex is right there. So the axis of symmetry is the key to finding the vertex. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to find the axis of symmetry of this parabola, and then we're going to plug it back in to find the vertex. So let's start with that axis of symmetry. The formula for this is negative b over 2a. Basically what it means is if I take, and we're using those same nicknames, a, b, and c, right? For a, the value in front of the x squared, b, the value in front of the x, and c, the one that doesn't have an x. If I take the opposite of b, which is 12, so that'll be negative 12, and I divide it by whatever 2 times a is, that will tell me where my axis of symmetry is. So that's negative 12 over 6, which is x equals negative 2. So if I'm looking at a parabola, I know that my axis of symmetry is right there at x equals negative 2. I know some more things about this parabola. I know that it has a y-intercept at 5, and I know it opens up because of that shape, right? So it's going to look something like this. The question is, I want to know like how low that point is. I want to find that vertex. So I found my axis of symmetry. If I want to find my vertex, what I need to do is I need to plug in my axis of symmetry to the equation. So x equals negative 2. Watch what I do with this equation. I got y equals 3 squared plus 12 times x plus 5. So everywhere that I see an x, I'm just going to plug in my axis of symmetry, and that'll give me my height at that point. And then I'm going to solve. So this is 3 times 4 minus 24 plus 5. So that's 12. Like that. And that'll be negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. So I know that if I plug in a negative 2, I'll get out a negative 7, and that's where my vertex is, negative 2, negative 7.